you so much. Oh, my. Don't.
This is the best day ever. It looks so good.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video, we are doing another Starbucks taste testing video. You guys have really seemed to be enjoying my taste test videos, and honestly, these videos are so easy and so fun to film, and I like to eat, so this has been perfect. I know you guys are used to seeing my mom, but today I have Cassandra, and you guys have seen her on my channel before. I will link some of our videos together down below. But yeah, we're very excited to do this. I will tell you guys, we are a little aggravated because we just taste tested these drinks, and for some reason my camera stopped recording and we didn't notice until I reached up to fix something. So yeah, it's been great. So I don't know how much footage I technically have before I'm having to restart this. So if you got to hear us order, then you will. If I have any of the original footage of us taste testing them, then maybe you'll see that. But we're gonna like still give you our thoughts and opinions. So the reason we came out today is because they have a new iced Coco Cloud Macchiato. You can tell that we've actually drank quite a bit of it because it was good.
A plus.
A plus from us.
Good.
So essentially what this is it says it has layers of whipped fluffy cloud foam with a hint of toffee nut syrup, followed by espresso, and finished off with caramel crosshatch and mocha drizzle. They do say this beverage is available year round and you can get it hot. Oh, you almost got coffee. Did you taste it?
I tried to get coffee, but yeah, it's good.
What do you think?
It's really good. Did you get the coffee? A little bit?
I think maybe. It's not bad. Ooh, it's different.
I really like it.
I do like it. It's better than I thought it would be. And I really like, this is the first time I've gotten a drink, you guys, where they haven't given you a straw in one of the drinks like this, where they have like the new eco-friendly cups like that. So I think that's pretty cool. That's not bad. Try and like swirl it.
They gave us a straw.
Yeah, I think the lady didn't realize she gave me 2 straws for tea. It was a hot mess, you guys, trying to get this stuff done. The lady was staring at me, and I was waiting on this drink, and she just kept looking at me, and I was like waiting and waiting, and she's like, "You good?" And I was like, "Nope, you still owe me a drink."
That's mixed a little better.
Try again. I like it.
It's still really good.
I think this is good.
I enjoyed it a lot.
Definitely give this like an A+ for me. I don't know that I would like it hot, to be honest.
Not with as hot as it's been here. If they had it in the winter, I might like it hot.
It doesn't have a lot of coffee drink in it. It's pretty much just like the foam all at the top that we've really been chugging. So yeah, it's not bad. I probably wouldn't get it a lot. I probably would just get a regular iced coffee that didn't have so much like excess stuff there. But I think it's fun and it's different, so I do like it. Okay, so and the other reason we came out is because they have those like Teavana teas, like those different flavors. And we tried to order all 3, the blueberry, the green tea peach, and the guava kind. They didn't have the guava here, which honestly does not surprise me because it's the same Starbucks that didn't have the freaking tie-dye drink when I tried to do this last time. So we may or may not try and go try that later. We'll just see how we feel and how much time we have to ride around. But with the peach green tea lemonade, this one is my favorite out of the 2 that we've had. We did get them sweetened. They just asked if we wanted them sweetened, and she said yes, just to make sure that we liked them. So I would not get these sweetened in the future, I don't think, especially not the blueberry one. The blueberry one is very, very sweet. This one has like a more refreshing kind of a flavor. The green tea is way more prominent than the peach, which I like. I really like green tea. So that one's really, really good to me.
I really like it because it does kind of give it, you get a really strong green tea taste, but you also kind of get a fruity taste with it. Yeah. It's a nice summer drink.
And then with the blueberry one, like I mentioned, I definitely wouldn't get the sweetened again. This is too sweet with it sweetened, and it may be like the blueberry syrup that's in it already is kind of sweet. It does taste predominantly blueberry. It's blueberry and what? Black tea?
Black tea, yeah.
Yeah.
We'll just make my husband drink it.
Oh no, I'll drink it. Poor Jordan isn't getting any of this. I do like it.
It's a juice. I think it's like a blueberry and something juice, if I read it.
Let me see. Those were grandes, and those were $3.75 a piece. That's why I really like the teas, because they're much cheaper than the coffee drinks, and they're more refreshing to me, because this little drink right here is making me thirsty.
It's making me want so much more. It's so
But
good.
I think like it's because of like the foam on the top. It's almost got like an ice cream kind of consistency to it. Does that make sense?
Yeah. It tastes a lot better once you get the coffee in it though.
Oh, you're right. It's a blueberry flavored fruit juice blend and lemonade. Then sweetened with liquid cane sugar. Yeah, I probably wouldn't do that again, because that one with the blueberry and the like cane sugar in that, whew, makes my toes curl.
Yeah,
I ain't even gonna lie. So yeah, overall, I definitely think my favorite out of all three of these that we tried today, thus far anyways, is the, I know, if we go do the other one, if we try and find the other drink.
We're gonna try to find the other drink.
Is the peach green tea one.
I'm gonna try it.
She really wants to try it, and to be honest, I thought it was the best sounding one. It's different than anything I've had, but if you're pregnant, or you know, gonna be pregnant, or looking at being pregnant, apparently when Cassandra was looking up the ingredients to make sure it was something she actually could have, and didn't have too much like additive caffeine, apparently guava is really great for pregnancy. Do your research. I'm not gonna like out all the reasons it's good for you, but apparently it's really good for you, so do check that out. So we're gonna try and find it.
I don't even know if I want you to put that in there, because I feel like the people who...
Why? Listen, people who are pregnant need to know. They
yeah,
understand.
but they're like, your mom's gonna be like, why is guava good for pregnancy? Oh, Cassandra's taking a good shit today. That's nice.
So, if you can't drink a lot of coffee, that's how I take good shits. Just keeping it real, people. Okay, so we're gonna go try and find this other beverage because she really, really wants it. I'm hoping this is not gonna be as hard as the last time I had to go find a beverage, but it's really hard to tell your pregnant friends no. If you guys have pregnant people in your life, then you know what I mean. They get moody.
I'm hungry too.
You wanna finish that?
I probably should have.
That's about all. Oh, well then don't. I'll finish that.
You finish that. No, because I kind of want to finish one of these teas. Depending. I have to try the third one.
Yeah, I don't blame you. I really like this one a lot. Like a lot.
In a few weeks, we should be able to rest one on the bump.
Oh, that'd be great.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel.
Boop, my drink.
Oh really my god, look!
It's doing it! Yes! Let Aria kick.
I know, I'd be so disappointed.
At least it's not full.
True.
Don't you respect the coffee? Okay, you guys, so that was much easier than my last video. The Barnes & Nobles did have it. It looks so pretty, honestly, you guys, and it smells so good. She didn't ask if we wanted it sweetened, so I assume that it's not, and it's just as it comes.
Or it is, because I think it comes sweetened.
Maybe, I don't know. You try it first. Let you try it first. This will be an honest to God first reaction.
Not sweetened.
Not sweetened? What do you think?
It's not bad though. The other ones were so sweet, it's kind of a nice offset. But green tea definitely my favorite.
Oh yeah. It's. I wonder if we like.
Maybe. Is it different?
It's more guava-y. Yeah, it's like more flavor at the bottom. I still think I kind of prefer them unsweetened. I know it sounds kind of weird, but I don't eat a bunch of like sugary things. So having the drink be like this is a little bit better to me. I do like this the way that it is though, but I would like to try it unsweetened to see.
I think I would stick with unsweetened too. Honestly, like it's a big shock because we were drinking so much sweet, but it's better.
Which one's your favorite then out of
still the green tea?
Yeah.
Definitely
I think I would say the green tea is still my favorite too. I just really enjoy green tea.
I do too. Before I got pregnant, drank green tea all day, every day.
Okay, you guys, so that is all for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed watching. If you have tried any of these teas, which one is your favorite, and do you prefer them sweet or unsweet? Also let us know if you kind of changed up anything, like switch out water for lemonade, like how do you like to make them your own? I'd be interested to see what you guys say, and that way maybe we can try them slightly different ways, because I do like them, but I'd be interested to see how other people get them made as well. So anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you did like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And you know you want to go ahead and hit that notification bell as well. That way you are notified every time I upload a brand new video. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!